Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this C# object-oriented programming tutorial, I will explain you the concept of abstraction. In this example, we will use an abstract class where the methods are highlighted in green boxes and the derived classes are shown in the orange boxes. The key purpose of abstraction is to hide the implementation details and expose only the essential behavior. Now let's move into the coding environment to see it in action. So first I will write the code without using the abstraction, and then I will explain it with the abstraction. So first I'm going to create a class dog, and I'm going to create a method MakeSound, right? And in this method I will simply print a line. So in order to print, we use console.writeLine, and within these brackets I'm writing here dog barks. So this is a simple make sound method. Okay, then there is another method for sleep. Okay, so I'm going to create that method, and in this one I'm going to simply print a line sleeping. Okay, so these are two methods for the class dog, and we will have to use these two methods for different classes, for dog, for cat, for horse. These are going to be the two methods. So for sound it is going to be different, because this is now the class for cat, and we know that the cat meows, but the sleep is going to be the same, right? I am only going to create the two classes for this example, and then I'm going to create the class program, and I'm creating here the main method. So static void main, and in this main method I'm going to create the objects in order to use the methods from the previous classes. So first is dog, so I'm creating an object dog, and then the second one is cat. So I have created here two objects, and then I will call these methods in our main program, and for that I will write here dog dot make sound and cat dot make sound, because make sound method is something that is different but sleeping behavior is same. So there is another class which is sleep, so I'm going to here call this dog dot sleep and cat dot sleep. And if I run this program, there will be 4 lines printed. So first two are for the sound, and the second two is for sleep. Now let's do the same code with the abstraction method. So first I'm going to create a base abstract class, right? And for that I am going to write abstract class animal. So I'm writing here abstract class animal, and in this class I'm going to create the abstract method first. The abstract method is one with the different behavior, so we know that the sound method is the one with the different behavior. So this is going to be public abstract void make sound. One interesting thing with this method is that this method will have no body. I'm not writing anything for like console.writeLine in order to print something. And since the sleep method is going to be the common one, so I'm going to simply write that in the abstract class. And then I'm using here the concept of inheritance. I'm writing here colon animal against each class, and I'm going to remove the sleep method in the derived classes, because I have already defined in the main abstract class. And in the derived classes I have to write public override, because I have used the abstract. So I'm writing here the override, and now the code is perfect, and if I run this program, and it will print us the same thing. So that's how we use the abstract in C#. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.